Hello everyone! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use basic functions in Google Sheets. Functions are built-in shortcuts that allow you to quickly analyze your data and get insights without doing any manual math. So first, let's look at where these tools live. Up on the toolbar, all the way to the right side, you'll see a Greek sigma icon. This is called Functions. When you click it, Google Sheets gives you quick access to the 5 most common functions right at the top, which is sum, average, count, max, and min. So let's break down how to use them step by step. For sum, if you want to add an entire column of numbers, click your active cell, go to Functions, and select Sum. As you can see, Sheets will type equals sum for you. Then, just click and drag your mouse over your data range. Then click Enter. And as you can see, it instantly calculates the total. Next is for average. If you want to find the middle ground of your data, select Average. Highlight your numbers and hit Enter to instantly see the mean value of the column. The next is Count. This function quickly counts the total number of cells that contain numerical data in your selected range, which is perfect for tracking line items. Next, Max and Min. Select Max to instantly pull the highest number out of a massive list, or use Min to find the absolute lowest value, like your lowest sales month. So what makes functions truly powerful is that you don't even have to use the toolbar icon once you know their names. You can simply click it into empty cells, type the equals sign, and start typing the name of the function directly, like equals sum or equals average. And as you can see, Google Sheets is incredibly smart and will actually give you a helpful suggestion based on the data right above your cell. You can just click that suggestion and Sheets will find out the rest of the formula for you. And that's it. Thanks for watching.